Hey everyone, Lensman Oz here, and welcome back to Captain of Industry. So, last episode we pulled ourselves out of the brink of destruction. I've gone and made a few loose storage setups here, and a conveyor running all the way down here to here, so that at least these guys aren't having to drive all the way around to drop off the coal, so we shouldn't run out. I'd like to start looking at, while our power generation 3 is being researched, I'd like to start looking at potentially making glass, because that is a whole process in itself. And I figured I'd make it over here somewhere because we've got the sand salts here, so we'll just have to belt it from here over to here. And it apparently needs acid as well. So we've got acid here. Just need to run a branch off. Again, my base is not optimized for anything. There's nothing pretty about this. It's very much terrible. Let's just put it that way. I would like to give these guys another feed of water because we're kind of relying on water pumps and the like. I mean, we've got water here we could be using, but not a lot because this is full. So once this gets going and we start using the salt, maybe we'll do that. All right. So, well, as I said, while things are just ticking along, we'll look into this. So the output of the sour water is pumping the water over there. We're getting dirt and water as output. So the dirt will need to go somewhere. I'm assuming someone was picking it up and dumping it out here. But we'll see. Let's have a look. Metallurgy and smelting. So the first thing we need for glass is the industrial mixer. And you can see there that the recipe has 18 sand, 2 salt, 1 acid, is 18 glass mix. From there we would then put it into a blast furnace. So that's 9 glass mix and 3 coal gives 8 molten glass and 3 slag and some exhaust. So we're going to need a bit of a process. We're going to need an industrial mixer, then a blast furnace, and then finally a glass maker. And that'll give us the 8 glass sheets and some slag. Again, that'll get pumped off to a waste pile somewhere. So let's look into this. Again, as I said, we're going to have to bring acid from here, but we've got sand here. So I'm going to put the industrial mixer, let's zoom in a bit so I can actually see. Acid's coming in on that side, that's okay. We'll place him here. The output from that is going to go into this guy, and I might flip him that way. Yeah. And then we want the glass maker will be flipped. There. All right. So obviously belts need to come in here. I need to do transports of U-shape for salt. Yes, U-shape conveyor. So we're going to come out of here. Go to there and then like that. And then I'm going to take this up this side and under this belt, and then I'll go up to the 2 that's required for trucks to be able to get under it. That's fine. Good. Okay. All right, so that will get the salt over. Then I guess the mix will be the same thing. So from here to here, let's do there, because we're going to need to bring coal in as well, aren't we? Coal is all the way over here. Branch it off here, maybe. Again, we've got all sorts of conveyors. I'm going to branch it up here. Nice and high up in the air, I guess. All the way across. I want to actually put this into here. Spaghetti. Spaghetti it is. Alright, that's cool. And then we'll have a molten channel from here to here. We're going to need a smokestack there. And then I just need to bring the acid in. So let's get transports again. This is our acid line. Try and keep things straightish. Want anything to link up? Are you over the top of that? And link. Again, spaghetti, right? Cool. So sand again will be pumping down from up here. I haven't done anything in terms of capturing this area for stopping it collapsing in. I'm not super worried about it. Same here. I'm just going to big open cut area and hope for the best. I mean, you could, and I've seen some images of people using loose storage and belts to move dirt and rubble closer to where they're dumping it, and then having an output. But are you working? You are for coal. So these guys, your new assigned route is that one. Can I break that link? Can I cut it? Is that how that works? Cool. Take it off them. Eventually I'll just have it linked up to this end one and it will pump its way through. But the idea being that we want them to not have to go so far to deliver coal. So now this will enable them to be able to pump into here. And it's slow, but it will get there. They can just dump straight here and get straight back into the pit for more. And eventually they'll be just coming to this one. Not ideal in terms of dumping rubbish though. Anyway, I mean we could probably set up one here, but this is in the way. Alright, so that's working. They're in our nuts with the digging. And fingers crossed. Fingers crossed everything works. Right. Oh look, we've got salt pumping across here. You are full of brine. It's fine. So yeah, it's waiting for the salt to be taken out. Good. What else has been done? So the pipe for the acid is not done yet. But it has lots of stuff. Glass mix coming out. You are for that one. But once they build this thing, construction parts, everything is turned on, right? Yeah, we're a little low on construction parts. They're a little low on construction part 2. Probably end up doing the molten channel trick here. And making it so they dig down here and then in. Maybe across, do one across here. have a nice little ramp. Again, I don't want... There we go. And in the name of being a little cheaty, this will get built. Construction parts. Oof. All right, so yep, things are getting built. Things are working well. I'm not having too much problem with food supply, pretty much. Looks like we're getting more of this underway. You're doing your thing. Good. Hey, things are processing. We've got diesel in there. How far back does it go? Almost 3 tanks full. And oil processor is humming along. This is burning off quite a bit. I mean, they probably don't like me too much. We are losing Unity. Why are we losing it? Maintenance reducer, research labs running 2 oil rigs. If we can get some household goods, we'll be all right. I don't think I've got that unlocked yet, though. So it's not ideal. We are, I will have to probably disable bits and pieces, but water's going well. Are you not pumping water out? Oh yeah, it's sort of flowing. Just not getting a lot over from the from over here. It's not producing as much as what I thought it would. Again, that's just to help. Kind of just to help. So yeah, that's where all our construction parts went, right? Nice. So we're halfway through Power Gen 3, which will give us the low pressure boilers, in which case I did say that I'd probably move them over here. I did put a belt right through the middle of where I was going to move them to, so that was real smart on my part, but might end up putting it in here. Now, I've seen a lot of different ways of doing these. I've seen people with 2 of these and small ones and all sorts of stuff on the same shaft, and like 8 or 9, 10 of these. I don't know what is the most efficient. Maybe 2 of these, 4 of these, 2 of these. But then we also can have a row of the smaller ones as well. So we will see. We will see what we can come up with. Sour water. We're down to 3 tanks, which is good. Slowly processing that through. All the way over here. Yeah, generating the water. Once we get to chlorine, we'll be able to process wastewater and stop pumping poop into the ocean, pretty much. Okay. These guys are pretty much all but done, right? It's just got nowhere to go. Oh, they're on. Why are they on? Wasted on my diesel. These guys can produce 1 megawatt. Let's keep them producing 1 megawatt. Each of these is 2, yeah, cool. We're only using 700 odd, so we'll keep it at that. 8 for quick build. 10 here. So they're obviously not bringing... We're just not keeping up. That's fine. How are we doing with coal? Ooh, little bit of a gap there. I think we'll be okay. It's just the stuff getting over there, that's all. Herein lies the problem, right? It's full of dirt. What are you full of? Rock. Alright, well that'll keep pumping through. Slowly, slowly. Still need to work out how to unload the ship. There's got to be a way, like this one. I don't know if I can assign a route. Like that one's set to electronics, but there's no trucks to take them out because this is full of oil. What are you doing? Delivering diesel? Anyway, got to try and get this stuff out of here. Oh, you moved one crude oil. I mean, I guess I could turn... Well, let's turn this off for the moment. Just want to see if we can actually... Where do you go? You go around... We don't even pump you to anything. Should have run that over to here. Let's see if we can get this out of here. You bring in one again? Really? How about you get like more than that? That's better. 7. There's 404 in there, and you took 7. I do not understand. Well, looks like they're all taken. They're not filling. Do need to empty all this stuff out. So I'm happy for them to do it, but maybe I just need to assign a truck to here. Maybe I just assign... You can't. You can't assign a truck. You'll assign it to that. Just not to this. Oh, well, it's one way of emptying it out, right? Probably all racing over here. Transports, pipe. I will... Oh, that's ground level. This side of it. That'll get connected eventually. And then I'll pause it. Ah, good. They're emptying the oil out of the ship, which is excellent. And household goods. I don't know where that is on the tree here. Corn farming. Wood alternative. That's household goods, I guess. Wheat. So much stuff up here, eh? So many. Wormhole gate. So many things to research. We are just scraping the surface. I really think I won't get anywhere near. Why are you taking 1? No, it's full. That's why. Alright, cool. Do what you gotta do, buddy. That's not hooked up, is it? No, shouldn't be. Oh, did this unpause? That's why. Yeah, we'll get more out. Good. Then we'll finally get all that stuff out of the ship. We are still waiting on construction parts over here. They went and built the glass maker, but didn't make the melter in the middle. They'll probably build this next. Alright, is this full again? I want them to go into this one. Dump it in here. Keep us going, my friends. How are we doing? Over here, you're still flattening things out. Just trickling along. What about if I get rid of all that? And we do that. Good. So that's actually fine. And that one. So yeah, I mean, part of the idea is to dig this flat and then flatten the rest of it, right? Certain things that they can and can't do. Where are you off to? I'm getting food. Nice. All right, well, I'm close to just like hitting the button on this. I mean, like, we are still losing unity. Kinda need to get things underway. Unless I turn off the rigs. Don't need it. How we doing? Still 400. Almost out of oil on there. Oh, quickly pumping it across. Still not filling it up. I don't get it. Don't get it. Tell me what I'm doing wrong and why they only fill up the one. Why aren't they giving multiples? There's plenty of room here. I just wanna I'm going to assign a truck. Let's do this. Let's just make it so that one truck only does the delivering. It's this one. And all the rest can... Oh, they're still actually delivering, even though it says accept assigned truck. Were they already partway? Or are they taken from here? Or are they taking from here? They are. We could send one of these guys back on and just have it tickling the tank back up to full. Needs a bit of maintenance. Okay. Something changed. Maybe the oil rig's full. That's what's changed. So close. So close to emptying it. All right, we're good. Again, like, oil pump's broken. It lacks maintenance. Yep. It's not like they bring maintenance out to it, right? All right. You know what? I'm just going to speed up just a touch. We've spent an episode just kind of getting some little bits and pieces in. I've got this all set up, but it's not connected. Just don't seem to want to... It's gone up. Waiting for materials. Oh, this is almost full, and it takes 8 in to give 4 out. Those household goods, glass and wood. So we are very close to being able to make that. So maybe at the end of this one, we will actually put just an electric assembly, like so. I'm gonna pause that guy, and we will. And he will make household goods. You are priority. Please make my stuff. It's so close. And then it'll have to fill the belt up. So either way. One more batch. And then this will be full, and it'll push all 4 this way. Or actually, it'll fill the belt up. Oh, out of wood, are we? That's full of wood. I don't even know where my wood truck is at the moment. I have Yeah, we still got some area here. Awesome. Wow, driving under everything. I actually don't think I can get any more excavators out of here because I ran this pipe across. So that was probably a daft move on my part. But excavators are no longer able to come out of here, so it probably wouldn't hurt to actually move this. Move the vehicle depot somewhere else, maybe here. Maybe. Not sure. I just know they can't get under any of the pipes. So I either drop this down and run one of these things over, a ramp, or we just live with it where it is. Right. Research 3, power generation 3. So that means we now have low pressure turbines. So that takes 8 low pressure steam and makes 1 megawatt of mechanical power. So this uses 4 high, this uses 8 low. These things produce 4 low from 4 high. So if you can run 2 of these into one of these, you're gold. So we've got 2 here, and we could run another one. But I think I will look at, I'll definitely look at moving it, and I'll probably do, I don't know. My thought is, like, again, not the greatest spot, high, high. Maybe that, and then low, low, and that's unfortunate. I want, oh really? Can I not flip these? I want this here. Something like that. I want to pause all this. Already built it. It's already there. They're just like, yeah, no, don't worry about it. No, we're just doing it. Even though you didn't really, want us to do this, we're just smashing it out because we've got all these construction parts. Well, I'm sorry, but I kind of want this to be built. So, pause. This one's fine. I can unpause it. This one's paused. Maybe I pause this thing instead of the belt. And they'll take stuff from here, and I need to build this. That's what I need. None of this will be connected straight up. They're just building it. But this is what I plan to maybe have done. I've got to bring a. What else do we need? I need the boiler. So this should only be one boiler. Somewhere in here. So that should only be, maybe not there actually. Like that. And then coal and water in there, high pressure out, balanced, probably too close. But we'll balance it and work it out. All right, so I think that's a good wrapping up time. Hopefully we can get these things built. Get this built and get the glass up and running and make some goods. Make some household goods to boost our Unity back up. Now we're good again. Look at this. There's 400 seconds in a queue. Items being moved everywhere. All right. I think we're doing okay. Are you now... look at this. We're now emptying the ship. Very good. Rubber. Rubber's not going to go anywhere because we've got tons of it. Build more belts. Build more belts. Maybe I make a second one of these storages. And make it for, I don't know, rubber. Anyway. Is this all done then? Oh no, there's still crude oil. Cool. Oh, we're running out though. People aren't doing their job. So unpause this. I don't want my stuff to stop. No stopping. Drain the truck. Drain the ship out. Right, cool. I was wrapping up. Thanks everyone for watching. Comments down below. Hope you enjoyed it. Betas coming soon. And we'll be good once all the new content drops. Anyway, until then, thank you. I'll see you later.